What is the dark web? How to access it and what you'll find. The dark web is part of the internet that isn't visible to search engines. It requires the use of an anonymizing browser called Tor to be accessed. You have no doubt heard talk of the dark web. A 2019 study, Into the Web of Profit, conducted by Dr. Michael Maguires at the University of Surrey, shows that things have become worse. The number of dark web listings that could harm an enterprise has risen by 20% since 2016. Of all listings, excluding those selling drugs, 60% could potentially harm enterprises. You can buy credit card numbers, all manner of drugs, guns, counterfeit money, stolen subscription credentials, hacked Netflix accounts and software that helps you break into other people's computers. Buy login credentials to a $50,000 Bank of America account for $500. Get $3,000 in counterfeit $20 bills for $600. Buy 7 prepaid debit cards, each with a $2,500 balance, for $500, express shipping included. A lifetime Netflix premium account goes for $6. You can hire hackers to attack computers for you. But not everything is illegal. The dark web also has a legitimate side. For example, you can join a chess club or black book, a social network described as the Facebook of Tor. What is the difference between deep web versus dark web? The terms deep web and dark web are sometimes used interchangeably, but they are not the same. Deep web refers to anything on the internet that is not indexed by and, therefore, accessible via a search engine like Google. Deep web content includes anything behind a paywall or requires sign-in credentials. It also includes any content that its owners have blocked web crawlers from indexing. Medical records, fee-based content, membership websites, and confidential corporate web pages are just a few examples of what makes up the deep web. Estimates place the size of the deep web at between 96% and 99% of the internet. Only a tiny portion of the internet is accessible through a standard web browser, generally known as the clear web. The dark web has flourished thanks to Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency that enables two parties to conduct a trusted transaction without knowing each other's identity. Bitcoin has been a major factor in the growth of the dark web, and the dark web has been a big factor in the growth of Bitcoin. A Red Room is a hidden live streaming service available on the deep web, is typically accessed via invite or by paying to enter. Accessing a Red Room is the sole goal of the player of Welcome to the Game, being one of the multiple chat rooms on the deep web which features streams of actual torture and murder for the viewer's entertainment. The Red Room is only open for 30 days, giving the player nearly a month to navigate around the deep web's websites in search of 8 bits of code called keys, which can eventually be pieced together to form a URL for the Red Room. After formulating a valid URL, the player will be taken to an ominous entrance site, given one last chance to turn back. If they continue on, they'll be taken to the Red Room. A cutscene plays of a hockey-masked psychopath wheeling in a cart of medical supplies in front of a restrained civilian, before greeting the 4,000-plus viewers and beginning the show of the vicious mutilation and murder of the victim. It is unknown whether or not the other viewers had to go through the same process, or if they could have been at risk of getting kidnapped as well.